So as part of this class, I would like all of the students to create a Google site. You may have already created Google Sites in other classes or sites using different tools in other classes, and you can go ahead and keep those for now, but I'd like you to keep them separate. We're just going to use our site for the particular projects related to this class. And one reason that Google Sites is particularly useful is that it allows you to embed code for Tableau dashboards very easily, and so your dashboards can be shared with others and they will not need to have their own account for Tableau. But we're going to use it actually to embed your projects, all of your projects for the course. So I'm in my UNCG iSpartan account and I'm going to scroll down to Drive. And then I'm going to click on a folder I've created for this class. It has a lot of other files. And I am going to select New, More, and I'm going to select Google Sites. I'm going to give my site a name. I'm going to just call it Croxton Data Visualization. I'm going to modify the look and feel just a little bit. It is not required for this course, but just so you know that you can tailor it to your liking. There are options and they're very simple to interchange. You can already have created material on your website and switch themes without a problem. Just looking through at the different versions, here's Simple, Aristotle, Diplomat, Vision, Level, Impression. I'm going to select Impression. It looks kind of fun. And I'm going to just select something in the dark blues for my accent color. Okay, that works for me. Like I said, it's not going to be fancy. This is a function over form at this point. I'm going to call this page Home. Let's go ahead and add a few other pages. So up here in the upper right corner, we can just see there's our home page. Down here in the bottom, there's a plus sign. Let's also create some more pages. We're going to have the data plan. We are going to have another page for infographic. You can see these items are popping up as menu, navigational menu choices. We're going to have another one called presentation. And then another one called dashboards. Let's see, we have home, data plan, infographic, dashboards. I somehow must have missed presentation. I thought I created it, but it doesn't seem to be there. Presentation. All right, I'm going to go ahead and publish it. This is going to be the web address that I'll copy and paste if I'm ever needing to share it. So now we have created a little Google site. Doesn't really have any content in it, but it is ready to start populating. I'm going to go ahead and insert a text box down here. And so now we can just add some basic content. And I'm just going to publish it again so everything's fresh and ready to go. I guess maybe I'm going to add a profile picture too. Let's see how we can go about doing that. I'm going to go to images. I'm going to upload an image. Hopefully I can find a profile picture without too much effort here. And that works. I'm going to publish it again. And so now we will be ready to add more information as we go along. That's pretty much all there is to it. And when you are ready to share, you can just, let's see, let's look at the share options. You can publish it so anybody can see it at UNCG and view it, or anyone not just related to at UNCG can find and view your published version, or you can make it so specific people can view when published. I'm just going to make mine so it's just for UNCG use. People in the public sector don't necessarily need to be looking at my work since it won't make sense to them. Let's see. You can also make it so anyone with the link can access it, sign in required. Let's see. Public so that anyone on the internet can find and access. There's lots of different options. All I care about is that you make it so it can be shared with me and anybody else in the class. So UNCG would be fine, or you can set it so that anybody with the link can get to it. So we have information for, or pages for presentation. Here's where you're going to upload your interactive dashboards. Here's where you'll upload your infographic. You can put your data plan in here eventually. You don't need to do that before Sunday's due date. It is just a placeholder. So that's really all there is to it. And then if you want to send your site to others, you just go up here to the little link and copy it, and you can pop that link into an email or wherever makes the best sense to you.